Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafowethu into ongayazi inkulu kakhulu kunawe. Ayikho ke bafowethu into engijabulise njengalena ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kube khona umhlangano obekhona phakathi kuka uphakela umthakathi kanye noJacinta weMash and Mash nomyeni wakhe uJacinta uZuma kanye nenkosi yamamboma bafowethu lapha umnomzane uMavava umfoko wasikhakhane. Uyabona ukuhlakani ke mabuhlangane kanje. This is leadership. Yabo nje makuhlangene ubaba usikhakhane ehlangene nale team le. Akunendaba. Anginandaba ukuthi ubani uzoqhamuka athini kwenzakaleni kwasha kwacima futhi amalangabi. I don't give a damn. This is what I'm talking about. I'm so happy and ukuthi bahlanganile and benza isivumelwano ukuthi ubunsizwa insizwa nobunsizwa kanye neMash and Mash bazosebenza ngokubambisana and abezokucontrolwa yilobugebengu bezepolitiki ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba they will always try to make sure ukuthi they want to divide the unity ngoba phela bafowethu umsebenzi wayo ipolitiki kahle ukuthi udivide iunity benze sengathi iunity into abayifunayo kanti iunity abayifuni abayifuni iunity bayayisikaza nje kube ngazuthi into abayifunayo mabe safuna ukuthola amavoti but the really unity ye revolution abayifuni leyo unity ye revolution because that revolution they know ukuthi le revolution ilapho khona kuhlangana khona abantu and abantu bethatha ipower yabo. Uyabona bafowethu ayikho into powerful mangabe ukuthi kuzoba ne unity within umphakathi iunity yabantu ukuhlangana ubumbano phakathi kwabantu. Wathi omunye umuntu ngelinye ilanga khona enye politician khona ipolitician sayinoyicinga niyitholeke nginawo nane video yakhona la okwalikha khona ivideo ikhuluma nesinye isigwili ithi no funeka ukuthi bebone ngazi ukuthi khona umuntu obasizayo because uma kuukuthi awuveli njengomuntu obasizayo there will be unled anarchy. What they will be unled anarchy? What they will come for you and I? Yalele. Oh my babu. Uthini wena? Uthini wena? Ucabanga ukuthi asazini? Bafowethu siyazi bafowethu. We've been in these things. Ipolitiki bafowethu is a dirty game. Singalokho nje sidlalisana. Into ebalekile iunity yabantu. The proper revolution uzoyithola uma kusebenza insizwa nobunsizwa neMash and Mash. The real revolution is where we are saying mash and mash until we win. Mash and mash until we win. Mash and mash until we win. Yabo? The real revolution. Lapha sobe sithi khona wehulumeni ikhuza abantu bakho hasle sabithi na igazi lapho siyohlangana khona kuyokhala abantu wehulumeni ikhuza abantu bakho hasle sabithi na igazi lapho siyohlangana khona kuyokhala lalela the real revolution ayidlali abantu basuke bebambelela eculweni elilodwa bashaye libe imphumba lithule lithi mukuthu lapho mangabe sithi amandla awethu kusuke ngempela kwawethu uyayizwa lento masisho ukuthi iphuma deep down ezibilini zethu uma sithi amandla wethu uma sithi siyonqoba simunye lo simunye uye ubone ukuthi lo simunye uhlangene uthema ukuthi umukuthu ngeke uzuwenzela utho lo siyanqoba simunye. The only way masifuna ukunqoma simunye let us unite and be one. under the organization Marsh and Marsh insizwa nobunsizwa. Finish and clear. Finish and clear. Laba bekhama nama narratives ubefuna ukuthi njalo bafuna ukucounter nezitori zabo ukuthi hayi manje uyabona sengiyazi mina umhlangano obusendaweni ethizeni ukuthi kuvele ngani. Bullshit. Who asked you that nonsense? Who asked you that nonsense? Who sent you? Who fit you? Hey lalela. Thina nje manje we are Jacinta and Jacinta is us. We are Phakela Umthakathi. Phakela Umthakathi is us. We are Ngizwe Mchunu and Ngizwe Mchunu is us. That's what we can tell you. We will march and march until we win. That's a really revolution. So every now, a politician, they're gonna have to support this revolution if they really want abantu bakithi bebe free from oppression. Sifuna ukuphuma abafowethu encindezelweni. Kodwa mangabe le line up ihlangana le line up ebese befuna ukuyihlukanisa ebese befuna ukuyichitha ngobuxoki nangobuqophololo. Hayi man. Angikhathali ukuthi ungabe ubani uthini, but thank you Nkosi yamamboma ukuthi uhlangane ube khona kulo mcimbi lo. Ngiyabuthemba ubuholi bakho Mr Zuma Nxamalala Msholozi. Siyabonga bhuti, siyabonga insizwa kithi. Siyabonga kuyena inkosikazi wakho. Phakela Umthakathi. Phambili bhuti wami, phambili. Ngiyakuthemba mna mfowethu. Kuleka. Sikhohle yamawongo yifutha mfene. Ngeke sizenze lutho. Yazi bafowethu ningasithathi nisifake ekhoneni ngoba uma nizosidelela ngezingisi nathi siyakwazi ukudelela. Akekho umuntu ongakwazi ukudelela. Just know that. What you don't know is that akekho umuntu ongakwazi ukudelela. Uyabona mase sikwi-defensive, njengamanje sikwi-defensive mode, but we can think. Njengamanje we are fighting to survive. We are fighting for survival. Amandla wethu siyonqoba simunye. Hulman khuza abantu bakho bagcwele South Africa sithi abahambe. Danko.
I feel like this picture right here is actually a response to everyone who was thinking that Phakela Umthakathi and Jacinta, they're fighting, they're no longer together, because there were messages that were coming out saying that Jacinta has told Phakela Umthakathi that he must never come to her march and march, which now with this picture, they're actually proving all those rumors to be wrong. Because if Jacinta had sent a message to Phakela Umthakathi to say, never come to my march and march, then what are they doing there together? What are they doing there together? But, social media is social media. Everyone will always have their own perspective, which is okay. There is nothing wrong with that. Anyway, this picture is just a message. As we can all see that they're together and the way they're standing, it doesn't seem like there is any problem there. It actually shows that everything is okay between these two people, because if there were problems, I don't think they were going to even meet and stand like that. I don't think so. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about that meeting of Phakela Umthakathi and President, and the fact that Jacinta had no idea about that? Which that meeting only, it has left Mzansi divided, with some actually asking themselves, questioning themselves, what was that about? While others think that those that are against that meeting, those that are calling Phakela Umthakathi out, they want to divide insizwa nobunsizwa bayo and also march and march. They want to divide this too. Because we all know that in division, there is nothing we can do. We can only achieve the goals that we have through unity. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?